2025-2026 BMW X5 is an epitome of luxury, performance, and innovation, setting new standards in the SUV market. With a strikingly redesigned exterior, the X5 combines elegance and aggression, showcasing a sharper, more dynamic front end with BMW's iconic kidney grills, now larger and more imposing. The sleek LED headlights and sculpted body lines further enhance its commanding presence on the road. Under the hood, the X5 offers a range of powertrains to suit every driver's needs. From the efficient yet powerful inline-six engines to the exhilarating V8s, each option is engineered to deliver seamless power and remarkable fuel efficiency. For those seeking a more eco-friendly option, plug-in hybrid variant offers impressive electric range without compromising performance. Inside, the X5 is a sanctuary of comfort and cutting-edge technology. The luxurious cabin features high-quality materials, customizable ambient lighting, and the latest iDrive 8.0 system, which integrates a large curved display, providing intuitive access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle setting. The advanced driver assistance systems, including enhanced adaptive cruise control and semi-autonomous driving capabilities, ensure safety and convenience on every journey. For 2025-2026, BMW has also introduced a revamped suspension system, offering a smoother ride while maintaining the sporty handling that the X5 is known for. Whether you're tackling city streets or venturing off the beaten path, the X5's xDrive all-wheel drive system and adaptive drive modes provide confidence and versatility in all conditions. In the 2025-2026 BMW X5, luxury meets performance, making every drive an experience to savor. This is more than just an SUV, it's a statement of style, power, and technological prowess.